I'm Chris Gantz, CEO and founder of JHB Group. This is our public safety platform with health protocols and incident command capabilities. We make sure that every unit has versatility built into it. So this unit features not only mobile health capabilities, but also incident command. We have mobile medical units or health incident trailers located throughout the country. They're being used for different public health needs, including testing, vaccination, first aid, or to be able to reach at-risk populations throughout their community. We've created a variety of health safety protocols that can be incorporated to provide the maximum use out of this mobile medical unit. So that includes UV disinfectant light systems, easy clean walls that are chemical resistant to cavicide and our other cleaners that we use out in the field. It even has ADA accessibility and pass-through windows, so you can use it for walk-up services or testing or even as a point of distribution. This unit specifically is going to be heading up to Unalaska, in Alaska. It's actually Dutch Harbor. And what's great about this unit is that the fire department is going to be using it for a couple different reasons. One, as an incident command, but two, to reach at-risk populations throughout the island. So that way they can provide basic medical care to different people that are visiting and or live in the community. This unit is set up with individual patient areas, but also it can be transitioned to benches, which means you can have a number of people in there and use it as an aid station or triage for different types of events. In addition to the medical capabilities, this unit has incident command features, including a rehab porch, custom communications and command cabinet, comms capabilities, and data connectivity.